Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create velocity editing using Capcut for Instagram Reels. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Capcut application, and first of all, I'm going to create new project on Capcut. I'm going to click on new project, and I'm just going to go to the Capcut library to get a video for the velocity edit. Since I don't have video to be edited, I'm just going to search for the dance video. Okay, and for example, I'm just going to select this one guys. Okay, I'm going to add it to my project, and I'm going to change the ratio. The ratio for Instagram Reels is 9:16, so I'm just going to select this one, and I'm going to adjust it like this. Okay, and then I'm going to add music to this project. We can click on add audio, select sounds, and you can add your own music, or you can choose music from the Capcut. And I'm just going to select music from Capcut from the speed category. I'm gonna go with wait guys, I'm gonna go with beat way up. Okay, now the music has been added to my project, and then we're going to tap on our video, go to the effect menu, and then go to the style, and we're going to apply velocity effect to our video. Okay, select this flash velocity. Okay, and wait for a moment. The velocity editing will be created automatically with this effect. Okay, wait guys. The velocity effect is created according to the music beat. Wait, I'm just going to volume down because of the copyright guys. Okay, this is the final result. And if you are not satisfied, you can click on adjust, and here you will be able to adjust the beat frequency, speed, and also the strength. You can use the slider to adjust all this aspect. Okay, and I'm just going to go back, and once you're ready to save it, you can click on export, and then the video will be saved to your device, and you will be able to share it to your reels on Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create velocity editing using CapCut for Instagram reel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.